Hey everybody, so today is November 27th, it is Black Friday, it's 2020. Picked up an item from O'Reilly's just to experiment with, see if I like how it sounds. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, I'm going to try to just make this a quick video. I picked this up from O'Reilly's. This is the Wolo Longhorn Claxon Largos air horn setup, model number 417. Supposed to sound like a big rig. I picked these up because I figured, well, you can get it on Amazon. I will link it to Amazon. It's way cheaper on Amazon. Amazon is $29.96. O'Reilly's, it's $46 after tax. I grabbed this because I figured, well, I already have an air horn set up on the truck, on the 4Runner. It would be a good way to test it. I can always just unplug the switch from the other constant compressor or the small compressor. I can plug this one in, plug these air horns into the unit, see how they sound. If I like them, I'll find a way to mount them on the truck if the other way doesn't work. The other air horns are metal and they're shorter. They're about this long. I picked them up just to experiment with them. If you guys want to see what the other air horns look like that are installed, you guys can go check out a couple wiring videos I did on it, and I think I did test them on camera. I don't remember. I will try to link one or two of the videos and cards up above. Just a quick video. This is model 417. All in all, the compressor looks nice. The other ones I got on Walmart.com, and they came from some random place. I don't remember exactly where. These are Wolos, though. It's one of the most well-known horn companies in general. I would prefer them to be metal and not plastic, but you know, I guess we'll see. If they sound good, I'll leave them on there. But just a quick video. I do appreciate you guys' time. If you guys want me to just, instead of filming the install or whatever, when I get them hooked up, if you guys want me to show you what they sound like, let me know, and I'll do a quick video on that, so you guys can hear it. Appreciate you guys' time and hanging out with me today. I'm going to take a drink real quick. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, as always. Please like, comment, subscribe. These are 12-volt horns, and I'm sure that you can hook these to a large compression tank if you wanted to. A large air tank. I'm sure you don't have to use this specific horn. You could probably set up your own compressor, a large style heavy duty compressor, and a large reserve tank, and run them off that as well if you wanted to do that. These might actually sound better running on a full-size heavy duty compressor. I don't know. Maybe we'll test that out in the future when I pick up a heavy-duty compressor and an air reserve tank for the Ford. I'm going to be putting big rig horns on that. Physical big rig horns on that. I already have them. Like always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And top of the description below, I have a link for ulsatools.com. that link will give you guys 10% off your order at Ulsa Tools. If you guys want to use that link, save you guys some money. And it also kicks me back 10% coupon on the next time I want to purchase something from Ulsa Tools. If you guys use that link, it also helps me get 10% off in my next purchase. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I hope that you guys had a great Thanksgiving. And hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!